A lot of times when we're first getting started with our art, we're super concerned and worried that if we don't have our drawings perfectly even on both sides, that it just won't look natural, it won't look realistic. However, what a lot of people don't realize is that when drawing anything that God created, there is so much more variety in there. So today I decided, why not bring on a few friends onto this video? Alright, so the first plant that I wanted to show you is actually just a little succulent. This guy is so full of life and he's so small. But if I hold him up to you here, does any of this match perfectly? Like, none of these look exactly like the other ones on the plant. They all have similarities, however, none of them are exactly the same. I'll give you another example. Some of these that actually fell off my plant. So these ones are more of a white one. They could have different sizes. An example of this would be these two. We have a much larger looking one, and then we have a tiny little guy. They have similar shapes, but at the end of the day, they're much different sizes. All of this is variety. This is what makes our world we live in, makes art so interesting, and something that just always keeps us on our toes as realism artists, is we just never know how the variety is going to show up in our art. And then there's another one that I want to show you, which is actually, it's my African violet. He doesn't have any flowers on him right now. He's super pretty though. It's actually a purple African violet, I think. Like purple and then white. It's really pretty. So you can see, again, all of the leaves have similar shapes, but many of them are very different sizes, which is so beautiful. Obviously, you can have variety within a plant. You can have variety between multiple plants. An example would be these leaves versus these leaves. There's just so much variety out there. So you guys, I hope, if at all possible, you'll take that pressure off of yourselves to create perfect drawings every single time, because in reality, the more perfect it looks, the less natural it usually looks. Sounds backwards, doesn't it? But it's so true. Anyways, thank you for watching, and until next time, God bless.